Emotional energy. What is emotional energy? Because that's coming from the either the thoughts that are creating the emotions, current thoughts which are creating your current emotions, or emotions of the past which are coming from the experiences of life. So the good experience or the bad experience, whatever experience we had in our life, if we are holding on to the the negative emotions, then that creates a lot more barriers to move forward in life. For example, if you failed once in doing anything, be it a driving test or in marriage or relationship or your relationship with your mother, and if you're holding on or judging yourself a little bit too much or criticizing the other person or the situation, or you telling yourself that that's cannot be fixed, then it won't be fixed. So negative emotions pulls you down, and so would be your energy, and then you won't be able to craft your life, especially negative emotions from the past. Because if you have positive thoughts and negative emotions from the past, then your life will always struggle between the mind will want to take you forward, and your thoughts will hold you back from the past. So letting go of the past, understanding your emotions and your emotional energy, and being conscious about your emotions is very important to craft a healthy life. And that's how you're going to craft a healthy life, attract a lot of wealth, believing that I deserve wealth, and that's going to come, and not compromising on something which why should you? If you're compromising on anything, then you ask yourself, why are you compromising, and why would you want to? Because you can achieve better than this. You deserve better. That's the only mindset that requires you to build and craft a healthy, happy, and successful life, be it money, children, relationships, or peace of mind and consciousness. Consciousness is the most, energy and consciousness are two most important things, even more than money. If you have those two things, then you create better living, and you can generate wealth as well. But if you don't have that, then you would not be able to even generate wealth for yourself.